I take on the challenge of running 30 minutes every day for a month to see how it really changes my body. Running is one of those activities that can be both exhilarating and intimidating at the same time. On one hand, it's an incredible way to improve your physical health and fitness, but on the other hand, it can be daunting to get started, especially if you're new to exercise. But what if I told you that committing to just 30 minutes of running every day could have a profound impact on your body and overall well-being? One of the biggest misconceptions about exercise routines is that you need to be a marathon runner or a gym rat to see any real results. But the truth is, even small amounts of exercise can make a huge difference in your physical health. And when it comes to running, the biggest challenge isn't necessarily the physical act of running itself, but rather the mental game of staying motivated and consistent. Another common misconception is that you need to have some sort of natural athletic ability to be a good runner. But the truth is, running is a skill that can be learned and mastered with practice and patience. And the benefits of running extend far beyond just physical health. It can also have a profound impact on your mental well-being and mood. When you're first starting out with running, it can be tough to stay motivated, especially when you're not seeing immediate results. But the key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Don't be too hard on yourself if you can't run for 30 minutes straight right off the bat. Start with small goals and build your way up. Running for 30 minutes a day can have an incredible impact on your physical health. For one, it can help with weight loss and improve your overall cardiovascular health. It can also increase your lung function and boost your immune system. And on top of all that, it can even help reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. But running isn't just good for your physical health. It can also have a profound impact on your mental well-being. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and even reduce symptoms of depression. And on top of all that, it can even help improve your sleep quality and increase your energy levels. One of the most inspiring things about running is the transformations people have seen from consistent running. I've heard testimonials from people who have lost dozens of pounds, improved their blood pressure, and even overcome chronic illnesses. And the best part is, it's not just about the physical changes. It's about the mental toughness and confidence that comes with pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Studies have shown that running can even change the structure of your brain, increasing gray matter in areas related to motor control and emotion regulation. It can also increase the production of neurotrophic factors, which are proteins that help your brain cells grow and survive. And on top of all that, it can even reduce inflammation and improve your overall cognitive function. I've seen people go from being couch potatoes to running marathons in just a few short months. It's not just about the physical changes. It's about the mental toughness and confidence that comes with pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. And the best part is, it's not just about the running itself. It's about the community and support system that comes with it. In conclusion, running 30 minutes a day can have a profound impact on your body and overall well-being. From weight loss and improved cardiovascular health to enhanced mood and reduced stress, the benefits of running are endless. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. Commit to running for 30 minutes every day for a month and see how it changes your body. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other fitness videos for more tips and motivation. If you've had any experiences with running or have any challenges you'd like to share, let me know in the comments below.